Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I'm very much
sensually spooky hands. Hi. Hello.
I don't know why, just this staring into the monitor is just so
titillating.
Anyway, hi, my name is Teresa. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. I know, it's disgusting. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our Tom fondly. We have 2 Mother's Day boxes, y'all. One for your mom and one for your stepmom. Or if you are lucky enough to have 2 mamas, one for your mama and the other one for your mama, whatever. Glossybox was kind enough to send me 2 of their most beautiful limited edition Mother's Day boxes. And apparently there are 2 different versions of this. They're worth over $218 and they have 8 exciting skincare and makeup goodies. So let's see which one is better, because ultimately you want to give your mom the best of the best of the best with honor. So let's see which one's the better one so you can give your mom the good one and your evil old stepmom the shitty one. That said, I want to say thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this my way. If you are interested in checking out these boxes, if you use the code Teresa, you can get your first box for $16 and you can get $5 off one of these beautiful Mother's Day boxes. And these boxes retail for $35. All right, so you know what? Let's open the first box. Let's see if we are going to disappoint mom. Ooh, fun. Exciting. As always, you get this very sensual pink ribbon that you untie very, very slowly. I felt really creepy doing that. I apologize. You get this cute little pamphlet that I imagine is going to show you all the little goodies, so we'll put that to the side. And I have misophonia, so we're gonna speed this up. Okay, look at all this shit. What do we have here? What is the oh, look at fun stuff. Okay. Okay. All right, some things that we could fuck with. All right, so without further ado, let me open my little pamphlet up here.
Shut the fuck up, we got sunglasses. Shut up.
Oh my God, I hope I didn't smash them. Bitch. Oh, motherfucking G. So I got so excited. Oh my God, look, you get sunglasses. That's fucking cool. These are actually pretty cute, actually. This is not bad. Hold on, let's see if we can take a picture with them. You know what's not cute? The little fucking tag that's in the way. Oh, please. Oh my God, I feel like a fucking queen, bitch. Okay, so these guys are retail for $55. I don't know if I buy that, but these apparently are 55 bucks. And these are from the brand Velvet Eyewear. So these are aviators. They're cute, they're really fucking cute. And it comes in this really cute pouch. We are a fan. Mom is not gonna be blinded by the sun. The next thing is from a brand Muggler. I feel like it's like a fucking Harry Potter thing. Muggler, sorry. Oh my God, all right. All right, stop snorting, you little piglet. This is a deluxe mini. By the way, if you didn't realize this is a full size, imagine if this was a deluxe mini. I imagine that the full size sunglasses would be like those comically large clown glasses, but I digress. Anyway, so this is a deluxe mini, and this is from Magla. And this is the Angel de Perfume. Okay, whatever. Spray a cloud at chest level and walk through. Ew. I don't know why that disgusted me, but that's normal for perfume, no? It doesn't really smell like, okay, never mind. It lodged itself right in my throat. Didn't care for that. We don't like this. No. This little trial size thing, it's $4, but if you want like a big full size bottle, it's $120. Y'all know I don't have a sense of smell. This shit's lost on me. So the next product is from Authentic Beauty Concept, and this is a travel size which retails for $10. If you wanted the big one, it is going to set you back 38 bucks. So basically this is a replenish mask free from parabens and silicone. This mask strengthens the hair fiber and helps to restore the cuticle. Okay, all right. Not bad. If your mom is, you know, has a thinning hair issue, maybe she might like this, or she might be very upset with you that you're noticing her thinning hair. So listen, that's the bridge you're gonna have to cross, but in any case, hopefully she likes this product. The next is from Bumble and Bumble, and this is a full size. This retails for $29, and this is a surf styling leave-in. Make waves wherever you go with this UV protective gel cream. This multitasker conditions, detangles, and fights frizz, while adding light hold and flexibility to your hair, so you can style and restyle all day. You'll have the soft, beachy chic look without the sand. I would totally steal this for myself. Because I always really want beachy hair, but my hair just will not allow that. That being said, this is a pretty cool fucking product, so I like that. And I've heard nothing but good things about Bumble and Bumble. The next thing is from, who the fuck is this? Snowfox Skincare. I love the box. The box is pretty fucking dope.
Ooh, very pretty serum.
So this is the Herbal Youth Oil. This $82. All right, so this retails for $82. And this is fortified with argillus root extract and Brazilian paracress. Probably fucking up all those fucking words. Known as Nature's Botox. Fuck me up. Yes, bitch. This silky, lightweight face oil helps slow signs of aging on a cellular level. Its antioxidant 7-blend oil formula smooths out fine lines and prevent new ones from forming. This is not making its way to my mother. I'm gonna be using it myself because I need to slow down the aging process because I want to be carded wherever I go. And hopefully this product will do that for me. I have never heard of Snowfox, and I just really hope this doesn't break me out. The next thing is from Bioderma, and this is the, oh god damn it. Why do they give me the things that I cannot pronounce?
Sebum.
Matte Control. Target excess shine and gently mattify your skin. Ugh. Fuck, get out of here. For a full 8 hours with this lightweight moisturizer. I'm gonna stop you right there, Susan, all right? I don't like matte stuff on my face. I don't need to suffocate my skin, so this is a no for me. But I imagine if you do suffer from oily skin, this could probably be your gig. But for me, not so much. I'm a dry mummy dick. This is a deluxe mini. This retails for $12.50. If you want the big one, it is $19.99. Oh, yes, bitch. Okay, I'm excited for this one. This is from the brand Foy. Never heard of it. But what excites me though is a CBD relief cream. I feel like I am just collecting a bunch of CBD products because I like that it reduces the redness in my skin. So this is a deluxe mini, retails for $8. If you want the full size, it's $54.99, which I feel like is pretty much the price point for CBD cream products. So this is described as taking care of your body makes a huge difference to your whole beauty routine. This natural hemp lotion with organic essential oil, essential oils, okay, provides soothing relief to muscle pain, joint stiffness, and nerve pain, so you can quickly get back to doing the things you love. All right, I gotta try this. Okay, nothing came out. Oh, it's probably because it's sealed for my protection. Let's open this bitch up. See if it smells like a Dave Matthews Band concert. Here's hoping that it does. Oh, do you see that? That fucking premature ejaculated all over me. Ooh, 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 ooh. You know what it's like? Ooh, it's like CBD mixed with fucking spearmint gum. Ooh, ooh, that's a sharp smell. That's a tangy, sharp smell. The smell is a little funky, so I don't know if that's the natural essential oils, but my skin does look fun and glossy, so I'll take that. Okay, you know what? I don't like it's living in my nose. I don't like the smell of this. Okay, Mom, enjoy. All right, the last product we have in here is from Cab Cosmetics. I've never heard of Cab Cosmetics. And this is a liquid lipstick. I love the packaging on it. Very sleek. This is, oh yeah. Look at that. That's a nice little whore red color there. Oh, it's like a pretty like berry color. Oh, that's nice. That's cute. My mom is not in the business of wearing lipstick, so this would be lost on her. And plus this color, she would be like, what am I, a whore? So I'll keep it. And, you know, I'll just entice my Uber Eats drivers with it. Whatever, who cares? It doesn't matter at this point, but this is the liquid lipstick. It has a nice sheen to it. I'm curious to see how it dries down, but this is a deep plum shade and exactly what you need to top off that sophisticated look. Its weightless formula makes it comfortable and long lasting, so you won't have to worry about smudging or wiping lipstick off your teeth. That's cool. I still can't get this fucking smell out of my goddamn mouth and nose. I need to wash my hands. But anyway, so this retails for, ooh, god damn it. This one retails for $18. So So we love that. And yeah, all right, so let's, before I run to the bathroom to wash my hands because I cannot take the smell of this. This is box one. What do we think of box one? The big ticket item here would be the sunglasses and the Bumble and Bumble. Ooh, of how could we forget this fucking youth in a bottle. So that, I would say like these are probably the three items that I was like, yes, this could get the fuck out of here. This could get the fuck out of here. This, I don't know. We'll put him in the maybe pile. This could also get the fuck out of here. And we'll keep the red. I mean, because it looks pretty. You can fuck with this. So these are the two maybes. These are the three definites. These are the three that are trash. Not bad, right? So, I mean, if you like your mom, this could be a good option. But let me wash my hands and then we're gonna open up box two. So this is box number 2, which by the way, can I say that I really do love the box design. I think it's really, really pretty. So you either have this like beautiful peach color for the version 1, or you can have this light like cyan color for box number 2. Okay, open it up. We get another little sensual ribbon undoing. By the way, that lipstick does stain, so love that for me. Okay, here we go. Here's the little pamphlet. You know the deal. All our little products. Dump this motherfucker on the table. Is it the same shit? Why did I think this was gonna be different?
2,000 years later.
Okay, so joke's on me. Apparently this is the same fucking box and it's just in 2 different versions. So, yeah. Hold please.
2,000 years later.
Oh, I'm stupid, by the way. I'm completely stupid. I just realized that it is the same box. It's just 2 different box designs. So essentially, these are the products that you will get, and you either can choose from a light peach color, or you can choose from a delicious cyan minty green color. That's it. Everything else is the same. That being said, you know, I think there are some cool things about this box, and I think there's some less cool things about this box. I'm gonna say that it's not bad. And I say not bad because there are 3 products that I was like, ooh, fun. And that was the glasses, the Bumble and Bumble, and this fun little serum. The 3 products that I'm not that excited about, 1, the perfume, because I don't have a sense of smell. But again, this is not for me. I am not a mother, right? I'm a motherfucker. Wait, that sounded even worse. That's what I say to my stepdad. I'm trash. Okay, anyway. This hair mask, I don't know. Kind of feel lukewarm about it. And this CBD cream, I expected so much more. It has a smell to it. And not a pleasant one at that. And oh, this one I wasn't excited about. I'm not an oily boy. The lipstick, pretty color, just, you know, stains my hands. So this is a very interesting option to give your mom. Fuck it. You don't even have to give this to your mom. You give this to grandma, you give it to your aunt, you give it to your uncle. You can give this to your bus driver. Whoever makes you feel special on Mother's Day, you give a present to that person, okay? Doesn't matter who they are. As long as they make you feel special, fucking spoil the shit out of them. That's essentially what this is all about, Charlie Brown. In any case, if you are interested in checking out this box, again, keep in mind, I'm an idiot. Not 2 different versions of this box. Only one. You just get to choose the color. Again, I'm a moron. Please use the code Theresa to get your first Glossybox for $16 and save $5 on this Mother's Day box. Again, if you are interested, everything will be listed in the description box below. And with that said, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below, would you be interested in picking up this box? Or what are you going to get that special person in your life for Mother's Day? What are you going to get them? Let me know, because I love to hear from you. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. Hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, and partially stupid garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. I just want to gobble you all up and do really weird, obscene hand gestures. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, along with where to get my merch, my podcast, my bloopity blop blop, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little pumpkins later. Happy Mother's Day. This is probably really not appropriate, but you know the deal.